So I know this video has been a long time coming, a lot longer than I anticipated. There's quite a few reasons for that. One of them is around the time that I had done my 100,000 subscriber thank you, I had a family member who was going through some extreme health complications, and that required a lot of my time, being with my family. And it was just really hard for me to get around to doing a whole lot. And then after that, I started working on the 100,000 subscriber special. Well, I had to do deleted scenes because that's something that I wanted to do. And so I had hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of video files to pour through piece by piece, frame by frame, to find the best deleted scenes that I thought were the best and that I wanted to share with you guys. That took about a month and a half by itself just to go through them all and to make sure I didn't miss anything, double checking, editing them, and putting them together, all for just a couple minutes worth of deleted scenes. Surprisingly, it took a lot longer than I expected. And by the time I was done with that, I got some really, really tragic news. My cat had been... My cat had been diagnosed with squamous cell carcinoma. And it was pretty much a 24/7 job to keep him comfortable for as long as I could. Between all the vet visits and specialty vet visits and just keeping him comfortable. I wanted to spend the last couple months that I had with him. I had him for 14 years and my best friend. So that's why this took so long. I didn't have the time. It was, like I said, 24/7, just keeping him comfortable, making sure he could eat properly, making sure he got all of his medicine. Just getting the medicine that he needed every day was probably about a 3-hour a day job, plus keeping him comfortable, waiting for the medicine to take effect, getting him to eat enough food every day. It was incredibly, incredibly challenging. And like I said, I just didn't have the desire, the energy, or the time after dealing with all that. Throughout those couple of months, I was sleeping maybe an average of 2 to 3 hours a day. And then after all of that, I went to Scotland for 2 weeks. So needless to say, there's been a heck of a lot going on. And that's why I haven't had any videos for almost 5 months now. But I wanted to discuss that with you guys. Now that we've got that out of the way, this video is what we're going to go next to is the deleted scenes, and then after that we're going to see the unboxing of the 100,000 subscriber play button. So I hope you guys kind of enjoy these deleted scenes. They're funny. I think they are. There's some cool, videos that I got, some things I'm not going to tell you now. But I hope you guys enjoy it. I did censor my profanity because there is quite a bit of it in some of these, but I did censor it, so it should be safe for children if you so allow or desire your children to see it. But anyways, I just want to make this quick little heads up to let you guys know why it's been so long. I thank all of you guys for following me on this journey, and I thank all of you guys for being so incredibly patient about not having this video out much sooner. I do have a vacation vlog from my 2-week trip in Scotland that I'm going to be working on as well, just for kind of a little fun thing while the spring season starts picking up, because it's starting to pick up around here. So, without further ado, let's get into it. What up, Poison Ivy? You don't mind if I crash your little Poison Ivy party here, do you? Blah, 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 blah. Speaking of English. Okay, so now that we've talked a little bit about the flowers of Queen Anne's lace... F*** you! Get off of me, you sucker! Jesus Christ! Bastard fly! Fuck! Sorry, B, didn't mean to disturb you, homie. What up, homie? There's a bunny. I got all kinds of homies and friends out here, man. The monarchs. Oh, look at that beautiful guy. I don't think I can get it. I couldn't get him. There was a beautiful monarch there, but I couldn't get him. I apologize for that. Walking down my driveway. So I think, whoops. And there are a lot of clusters of flowers on this plant. I apologize for the shakiness. I'm very, very pissed off today. In 30 seconds, I've recorded this intro probably 20 times already. Quit going in and out of focus, you sucking motherfucker. On yellow sweet clover. Or la 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 la. Get off me. Son, I love you, but you also make this difficult because I have to keep adjusting. So it finally arrived. My YouTube play button is finally here, and I just kind of want to open this up and show you guys what it is. I'm sure most of you know what it is anyways, but I just kind of want to do a quick little unboxing of this here to add this to the 100,000 subscriber special. Now this opens up like this, I reckon. Oh, it's got this nice foam. Whew, I'm excited to see this. Oh, there's a piece of paper. I'm going to set that so you guys can read it. Pretty cool, from Society Awards. Really, really cool. They include that little token of appreciation. Oh, all right. We got a thing from YouTube. Wow, that's pretty cool. Nice little note here. All right, nice little letter from YouTube. And wow, there it is. It's finally here. Finally here. Glare on the plastic. Oh. I know a lot of people might find this I mean, it's so common now on YouTube, I know, but this is something I've been wanting for a long time. And I'm really, honestly, I'm just so excited it's here, I don't even know how to react, to be honest. Alright, so let's get this out of the packaging here. Recognize your team. Well, I'm a one-man show, YouTube, so that is not something I can do. That down. Watch, this other side's going to come back up. Watch. Nope, it didn't. Alright, now let's chuck it out the window. Oh, I'm so kidding. So freaking kidding. Wow. There it is. 100,000. Feels really nice, honestly. Oh, it's even got a mirror on it? Oh, now that's... Whoa, hello. Who's that ugly goober? Alright. Let's see what the back of it looks like here. Sorry about seeing the floor of my house. Alright. Got these two things I can hang it on. It's got this nice velvety sort of thing going down here. I really like that. Really nice so it won't scuff up your wall. That's cool. Alright. Well, that is the unboxing of my YouTube silver play button. And honestly, this is really cool. I thank all of you guys for helping me get to this. It's been really awesome to share this journey with all of you guys, and I really look forward to being able to share a lot more with you guys.